Giethoorn, Holland, is unlike any other place in the world. Known as the Venice of the North, this charming village has no roads in its center, only canals. Instead of cars, people travel by boat, making it a peaceful and quiet retreat. Wooden bridges connect walking paths, allowing visitors to explore on foot as well. The sound of birds, the gentle flow of water, and the absence of traffic create a magical atmosphere that feels like stepping into a fairy tale. The canals of Giethoorn are breathtaking, lined with lush greenery, colorful flowers, and charming thatched roof houses. The water is crystal clear, reflecting the beauty of the surrounding nature. Many of the houses have private gardens that add to the picturesque scenery. Renting a boat is the best way to experience the village, allowing you to glide past the historic homes and under the quaint bridges. Whether you choose a whisper boat, canoe, or guided tour, floating through Giethoorn feels like a dream. There's more to Giethoorn than just its canals. Visitors can explore small museums that showcase the village's history, traditions, and art. Shopping in local boutiques offers unique souvenirs, from handmade crafts to traditional Dutch items. If you love food, Giethoorn has cozy cafes and restaurants where you can enjoy delicious local dishes, fresh seafood, and Dutch pancakes. For those who love outdoor activities, fishing and swimming in the canals are popular during the summer months. The best time to visit Giethoorn is in spring or summer when the weather is warm and the flowers are in full bloom. The village becomes a paradise of colors and life, making it the perfect destination for nature lovers and photographers. Although it's a popular tourist attraction, early mornings and late evenings offer a more peaceful experience. Whether you visit for a day or stay longer, Giethoorn is a truly special place that will leave you with unforgettable memories. Would you love to explore this fairy tale village?